With the Fusion, power and performance come in so many intelligent ways. First, there are 3 available EcoBoost engines, delivering efficiency and performance with no compromise. Plus, there are 2 efficient alternatives in the form of the Fusion Hybrid and Fusion Energy Plug-in Hybrid. The power of choice is all yours. At lower speeds, the Fusion Hybrid can travel in all-electric mode. When more power is required, the gas engine kicks in seamlessly. Fusion Hybrid and Fusion Energy deliver a fuel-efficient and spirited performance. With the Fusion Energy, you just plug it in and charge the battery. The optional 240-volt charging station lets you charge the Fusion Energy in just under 3 hours. When the battery is depleted or more power is required, the plug-in hybrid functions as a gas-electric hybrid. The efficiency is beyond impressive. Fusion Energy has an EPA estimated rating of 108 city, 92 highway, and 100 combined miles per gallon equivalent. Inside the Fusion Hybrid and Fusion Energy, the Smart Gauge with EcoGuide gives you real-time information to help enhance efficiency. Customize the Smart Gauge to view fuel economy history, trip data, and more. When you drive more efficiently, you'll actually see more vines and leaves displayed. Regenerative braking in the Fusion Hybrid and Fusion Energy recovers more than 90% of the braking energy and sends it back to the battery pack to be stored for later use. The Fusion, Fusion Hybrid, and Fusion Energy Plug-in Hybrid, delivering the power of choices you want and need for today's driving.